In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in BeFunky. If you want a clean professional cutout of your subject without learning complex software, this quick walkthrough will get you there with just a few clicks. Start by heading to the BeFunky dashboard. This is the home base where you can access all of their creative tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look for Photo Editor and open it. That launches the editor workspace, where you'll see a large canvas area in the center and a panel of tools along the left side. Next, bring your image into the editor. At the top, click Open. A small menu appears with different sources. Choose Computer to browse your files and select the photo you want to edit. After it loads, you'll see it on the canvas, ready to work with. For best results, pick an image where your subject stands out from the background. Good contrast and clear edges help the tool lock on more accurately. Now look to the left panel and open the Edit section. This is where your essential adjustments and smart tools live. In that list, find and click Background Remover. BeFunky's background removal is powered by AI, so it analyzes the image and quickly isolates your subject. In most cases, you'll see the background disappear almost instantly, leaving a checkerboard pattern behind. That checkerboard indicates transparency, which is exactly what you want for clean cutouts, product photos, or graphics you'll place over other designs. If the edges need a little love, take a moment to fine-tune using the options you'll see with the tool. You can adjust settings to better capture flyaway hair, soft fabric, or small gaps. Use the available brushes to restore areas that were removed by mistake or to erase leftover bits of the background. Smaller brush sizes make it easier to work around detailed edges, while a larger brush is handy for broad areas. Zoom in to check tricky spots like around shoulders, between fingers, or near similar colors where the subject blends with the background. Once you're happy with the cutout, you can continue editing in the photo editor, like adding shadows, adjusting exposure, or placing the subject over a new design later. And that's it, the fastest path to a clean, transparent background in BeFunky. To recap the flow, open the photo editor, load your image from your computer, go to the Edit panel, and use Background Remover to isolate your subject. With a good starting photo and a bit of touch-up, you'll have professional results in minutes.